Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today, gagawa ko ng isang simple and fresh look na makeup tutorial for you guys. We all know na summer na sa Philippines, but here sa US, kaka-transition lang namin sa spring season. So in some areas, may snow pa at malamig pa, pero dito sa area namin, medyo mainit na. Dati kasi sa Bay Area, all throughout the year, ang ganda ng weather. Like, hindi ganun kainit, hindi din ganun kalamig. But right now, dito sa new place namin, ngayon pa lang medyo mainit na. So all of the products that I'm going to use in this video, ilalagay ko sila sa baba, sa description box, so you can check that out. And without further ado, let's start. So of course, tapos na akong mag-prep ng skin ko. What I need to do next is to prime my face. And gagamitin ko tong PORELESS Putty Primer. Nakagawa na ako ng video nito guys. And if you're interested to watch kung ano yung aking first impressions and review about this, you can click the link right here o kaya sa description box. Ilalagay ko din to. And kumuha lang ako ng ganyang amount and then I'm just going to put it here sa aking face. Yan. Spread lang. And then I'm just going to use my clean fingers to blend it. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear na foundation. And this is in the shade of 445. I'm just going to shake this. And I'm going to use my favorite sponge, which is the e.l.f. sponge. Magdi-dispense lang ako ng product dito at the back of my hand. Just 2 pumps. 2 pumps is enough. And then I'm just going to put it sa aking face. Naririnig ko sila, baby. Si Daddy kasi nagbabantay kay baby sa baba. So thank you, Daddy, for taking care of baby Alexandra while Mommy is filming. What I love about this foundation is that very natural lang yung kanyang finish. And if you guys are after sa medyo satin yung finish ng foundation, yung hindi ganun ka-matte, hindi din ganun ka-dewy, ito yung perfect foundation sa inyo. Na-try ko na to madaming beses na and I really love it. Bihirang-bihira lang ako ma-fall in love sa isang foundation na ganito yung finish. Usually kasi after ako sa full coverage, but this one has a medium coverage to build the ball. And yun, I really like it. For the concealer, I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape and I'm in the shade of light medium. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking under eyes. Alam niyo naman, pag may panda eyes, pag fresh, kailangan tagong-taguyan. So, kailangan natin i-conceal. Maglalagay lang din ako dito sa aking bridge ng nose, dito sa chin, and a little bit dito sa aking forehead. And then I'm going to mix it together with my favorite Instant Age Rewind na neutralizer para mag-lighten up ng onte. So I'm going to blend it with this sponge, yung other side. By the way guys, if you have panda eyes like me, it is better for you to get a neutral tone of concealer. Kasi guys, nakakatulong yun ma-cancel out yung dark circles. Siyempre, hindi naman lahat ng tao may oras pang mag-color correct. Like me, I'm a mom. So, precious ang oras sa akin. So, instead of color correcting, bibili na ako ng concealer na makakatulong mag-cancel out ng dark circles ko. Now, I'm going to contour and bronze my face and I'm going to use 2 products. Gagamitin ko tong Milk Makeup na bronzer in the shade of Bake and ito namang CARELINE Contour Stick. Wala siyang shade name or shade number, so I assume contour lang ang name niya. Itong mga nakaraang araw kasi nahilig ako mag-cream contour. Mas natural kasi yun. I'm just going to put it here, dito din, sa aking 5 head. Here. Okay na, wag na. Alam niyo, ang ayaw ko lang dito, yung amoy niya. Parang amoy Play-Doh. Kung familiar kayo doon, mga 90s na bagets. And then I'm just going to add this sa aking cheek area. here. Then dito. I'm just going to blend it with a damp sponge. So, this is from Wet n Wild. Iba naman to, guys. So, blend ko muna siya. You know, guys, yung bronzer na Milk Makeup, yung shade niya na Bake, it blends like heaven kasi sobrang dali lang niyang i-blend. Even the, what do you call this? Yung contour stick from CARELINE, sobrang dali lang din niya i-blend. I'm done blending everything sa aking face. What I'm going to do next is to set my entire face. Light dust lang dito sa aking cheek area. I'm going to use this Patrick Star na setting powder. And ito yung limited edition nila. Hindi ko lang gusto dito, cardboard siya. So I'm going to use this brush and I'm just going to set my under eyes. And meron din akong fine line dito. So, isa-set ko din yan. And then my chin area. And itong gilid ng nose ko. Hindi ko pa sineset tong aking cheek area dahil mag-a-apply ako ng cream blush. And this is the Flower Cream Blush. This is in the shade of Pinched. Makita nyo to sa Ulta. Dupe to, guys, dun sa Glossier na Cloud Paint. This one is really a good shade. Para siyang, peachy na pink. Ganun yung color niya. And then I'm just going to dot it here. Then I'm going to use this sponge to blend it. Yung bevel side. Yan. Very subtle lang yung color nito. On the other side as well. Super favorite ko tong sponge na to. For sure kasama to sa aking favorite for this month. This Sunny's Face na lipstick in the shade of Bake. Ilalagay ko siya sa aking back of my hand. And I'm just going to warm it up. Gusto ko kasi itong shade na to for my cheeks. Again, from the same sponge. Ayan. I'm going to put it here. Kakoncentrate ko siya. Nagawa tayo ng parang drunk blush na look. There you go. Now, I'm going to proceed sa pag-apply ng highlighter and I'm going to use this CARELINE Strobe Stick. And ilalagay ko siya dito sa aking cheekbone area. Maganda yung color niya, yung color payoff niya. But the thing is, medyo mahirap lang siyang i-glide on sa skin. But, maganda siya. And then, of course, tip of my nose. And then, yung aking bridge. Importante yan. This part. And, of course, yung chin area. And Cupid's bow. So, for my eyebrows, hindi ko na siya lalagyan pa ng kung ano-ano. Didiretso na ako sa brow mascara. And this is from Kaja. Ang shade ko ay Deep Brown. By the way, guys, hindi nyo naman kailangan gamitin yung mga products na pinapakita ko dito. Dahil I know some of them hindi siya accessible bilhin sa Philippines. For sure, madaming alternative for this. So, I'm just going to brush my eyebrow hair. By the way, yung eyebrows ko, guys, natural na sa akin yan na hindi sila pantay. So, wala na akong magagawa dyan. But, to give or add volume to it, gagamit ako ng voluminous primer mascara. Ganyan ang technique ko, guys. So, ito, guys, yung technique ko para ma-achieve yung boy brow na look, na mas naging fuller siya. So, this is the easiest for me. May iba gumagamit ng soap o kaya naman ng gel para ma-achieve yung boy brow look sa eyebrows. And then last but not the least is a clear mascara. I'm not going to apply eyeshadow, but instead, I'm going to go back dito sa aking Milk Makeup na matte bronzer. And I'm just going to get some product dito sa aking ring finger. And maglalagay lang ako ng onting shadow dito sa aking crease para magkaroon lang ng depth ng onte. To add a little bit of highlight sa aking face, magdadagdag lang ako sa highest points of my face ng highlighter or powder highlighter. And this is from Maybelline. Ito yung Master Chrome. Gusto ko ng medyo flowy pa. If you have oily skin, huwag na kayong magdagdag pa ng highlighter kasi baka at the end of the day, hindi na magandang tignan yung highlighter. Baka humalo lang sa oil. So, baka maging greasy yung itsura instead of dewy. For the lips naman, gagamitin ko tong L'Oreal Paris na, I forgot what is the name of this. Pero ito yung bago nilang lip product. And this is in the shade of 416 I Create. Para siyang nudish pinkish na color. And last is this Sunny's na Bake. I'm just going to put sa center ng aking lips. To seal my makeup, I'm going to use this Innisfree na green tea mist. The final look for this makeup tutorial, guys. This is very easy, super quick, and of course, natural and fresh looking lang siya. So if you like this video, you can click the thumbs up button, and if you would love to see my future uploads in this channel, you can click the subscribe or the bell button down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye!